Hello, this is Eric Bear with ReLISTO, Leasing and Property Manager here in San Francisco. Today I'm in front of 1864 Haight Street, number 4. So we're gonna come around and let's take a look. Okay, here we are in unit number 4. So we are greeted by a very brightly lit hallway. I'm going to go through each of the rooms, but let's first go into, there's bedrooms here, kitchen to the right. Let's just first start at in the living room. So again, as mentioned, this can be delivered fully furnished as you see it here. So TV, couch, etc. Dining room table. It has a gorgeous view of greenery, and there is a backyard that's associated with this building, so you can absolutely enjoy that. You have shelving up top, so you can put pictures, artwork, and then of course you have the picture railing. Through this door is what can be the guest bathroom. So looking right here. Tub shower combination, and then also the sink, or that exits into the other bedroom. So depending on how you configure your household, that can be very convenient. Recessed lighting on top. So okay, let's go into the kitchen. So super sizable kitchen. Tankless hot water heater, so you have a really good heat on your water. Washer and dryer, microwave, dishwasher, gas range, lots of counter space, hood, brand new refrigerator. A lot of these appliances are brand new. And then under the counter lighting. Turning around, you definitely have storage space. And then here you have a nice pantry to store your food goods or anything else. Let's go into this bedroom. This is the third bedroom. We haven't shown you the primary bedrooms yet, but this is a loft bedroom. So you have the loft up here. You can take a look at the loft itself. There's a picture on it with the photo carousel. And then here we have 2 closets. This is a barn door, and then that is where you can hang clothes. Table's optional here, depending. You also have a heater in here. Table's optional depending on how you want to configure this room. So talk to the agent on how you want to configure this room, and then we can work things out with you. Again, we shared this before, but this is the private bathroom or guest bathroom, depending on how you configure it. So super sizable, tall ceilings, and there's tall. That's one of the things about this property. As we mentioned, is around 1,500 square feet, super immense. The tile floors, those are tile floors in the kitchen. And again, wooden floors here. This is bedroom number, we'll call this bedroom number 2. That is a large closet. That can be, you walk in, there's, ample storage space and hanging space. Again, picture rails, tall ceilings. It's really the sense of immenseness as you walk through here. And here, we have the first bedroom. We'll call it this primary bedroom just because this has a king-size bed. So you can see, even with a king-size bed, there's still lots of room here. Again, another good-sized closet. And then you also have a dresser cabinet there for additional functionality. Picture rails, again, very tall ceilings. Now, this is a 2.5, well, it's not 2.5, but it functions as a 2.5. Hey, there you are, hello. So cabinet space here, tub shower combination. And then of course you have your vanity. Now, what's nice about this unit is it does have a separate toilet here. So you can access that. You can have, if there's multiple people living in the property, one can be utilizing that while the other person is showering or whatever have you. So again, it definitely allows for a lot of functionality. And you gotta love the artwork that the owner has provided. And I have to say that the owner is wonderful. We get lots of compliments for this owner, and he'll make sure that you feel very, very comfortable here. All right, so that was it. I'm gonna switch around here. Hey, anyway, so if you're interested in this property, my understanding is it's gonna be coming available October of 2022. We will have it posted. Love to talk to you about it. Love to set up a showing. There's lots of information in the listing itself. So if you see this video separate from ReLISTO.com, go to ReLISTO.com. There should be links down below, and get all the good information that we put there. There's features, key terms. There's this video. There's also a lot more pictures. So, and there should be a showing schedule. Once it's available, this will all be on a showing schedule. So anyway. Thank you very, very much for watching. If you like it, give me a thumbs up, like the channel. A lot of times our properties come on video before they actually get posted. So if you're in the market, that can be a good way of getting ahead of everyone else. All right, take care and thanks for watching.